Ever wanted to make your animations talk, sing, or simply sound amazing? This tutorial is your one-stop guide to seamlessly integrating audio recordings directly into Adobe Animate. Let's get started. First, click File at the top left, then click New to create a new project or open an existing one. The easiest method for recording audio is to record directly within Animate. Click the layer you will add the audio to. Then navigate to the timeline. Click the layer that contains the object which you want to give audio to. Then you will want to head over to the toolbar and select the Audio tab. Look for that little microphone icon. Go ahead and click it to activate the recording features. A new audio panel will appear with recording controls. Click the record button, a red circle, to start your recording. Now you can speak directly into your microphone. As you speak, Animate will capture your voice. When you're finished, click the stop button in the audio panel. Your audio is now part of your animation. To synchronize your audio with the visuals, you can move and stretch the audio on the timeline by adjusting the length and timing. You can ensure the audio fits perfectly with your animation. Congratulations, you've successfully recorded and integrated audio into your animation. Now get creating and add a new depth to your animations with sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe.